In this video, I will show you how to turn on or off Vanish Mode in Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. First, launch your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, open the conversation where you want to enable or disable this feature. Once you have opened the conversation, at the top, you're going to find the username of that person. Click on that. Now, scrolling down, you're going to find this option of disappearing messages. Vanish Mode has been rebranded as disappearing messages. Tap on it. Here you can choose to set messages to disappear after 24 hours, which essentially turns on Vanish Mode. All messages sent or received during that time will automatically be deleted after 1 day. If you ever want to turn off Vanish Mode, just go back to same setting and toggle it off. That's it. You have now learned how to easily enable or disable Vanish Mode on your Facebook Messenger. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.